Hello, I'm Dr. Zachary Munn, Director of Transfer Science here at the Jonah Briggs Institute. We've created a series of videos to walk you through our new software for systematic reviews, JBI Summary. Each of the videos focus on a certain step or stage of a systematic review process. We also offer training in systematic reviews, and if you're interested in any of our training or educational courses, please visit www.jonahbriggs.org. Thank you, and please enjoy using the new JBI Summary. Once extraction is complete, you are ready to begin your synthesis. Select meta-analysis for quantitative data. Once you've entered the meta-analysis page, you need to create your comparisons. Simply type in your comparison in the box provided. Once you've entered your comparison, you can enter outcomes under each comparison. You need to select the type of data for each outcome, whether it's dichotomous or continuous. Multiple outcomes can be added under each comparison. You can also delete outcomes if needed. Once you are happy with your outcomes, click on the Plot button. Here we can enter all of the parameters for our meta-analysis. First, select your statistical method, the model, and the effect measure. Once your parameters have been selected, start entering the data for each study. Here we have a dichotomous outcome, so we simply enter the amount of events that occurred in the entire sample for each group. To add a new study, simply click Add. You'll see that your included studies will appear in a drop-down list. If you want, you can add additional citations which haven't been included in your systematic review. Once you are ready to generate your forest plot, click Generate. Here we can see the forest plot for the corresponding data. You can change the effect measure or any of the other parameters very simply, and then regenerate the forest plot.